take that trail.
No, I got a pack up.
That's fine. Can you see out of your rear view mirrors okay, bud? We're going to follow this trail all the way to the back. You like having the cab on this? Yeah, it's a lot nicer.
Yeah, every tree's fucking young.
Pretty out today. I just love being out in the woods. We're going to try to get some of these dead trees cut out, drug out of the woods. Not most of them.